How's it going, everybody? It's the last day here in Japan before I fly home tomorrow. You know what that means? We gotta go do something. We gotta do a lot of somethings. Unfortunately, it's very wet outside right now. I only say unfortunately because we can't do any outdoor activities or anything like that. But we're still gonna go some places. I actually want to go back to the Cup and Noodle Museum, make another one, and some other stuff. We'll figure it out on the way, but this is what we're looking at today. And we're at the train station now, and I just missed the train. That's all right. Well, next one's in 10 minutes. Always convenient. And yeah, we're gonna go get some ramen too. Maybe go to Landmark Tower. Have not decided yet. I think we're just gonna hang out in Yokohama today. Definitely gonna miss those train rides where they're so convenient. Like, we missed the train, but 10 minutes later we were on it, and it's so comfortable. Sometimes you have to stand. Either way, we're in Yokohama Station now. We're about to switch over to the Minatami line, head on over to the Cup Noodle Museum because they close at 6. Get that done, and then we'll go get some food. Well, we were talking about going to Landmark Tower, but as you can see, it's a little foggy up there, so we may not be able to see anything while we're up there, but it does look cool with all the fog in the background. Oh, you can see it's kind of breaking the clouds up there, so we're probably not going to go up there, but we never know. Might clear up later. Cosmo World here is all closed down. It is the middle of the week, and we're going right over here to the Cup Noodle Museum. First stop of the day is the Cup Noodle Museum. I have been here before. If you want to check that video out, I'll put it up here, and link in the description below. We're probably just gonna kind of go in there quick, make the cup, draw it up, and then head out so we can go get some ramen because I am hungry. Just like before, 500 yen, Mr. Ando right there, and 400 yen for the cup. So when we get to that point, we'll make that. It's currently 2:05. I have a 2:30 for making my cup. So I just got to go up there at 2:30. So we'll have a little time to walk around, check this out. Again, last time I was kind of in a hurry, so this time I have a little more time. There's also a lot less people here. Come on a weekday, very empty. I played in this room a lot last time, but it looks like a Beastie Boys video, like, I'm just having a good day. We're about to go home tomorrow, you guys. Like, it's exciting. We're here at the Cup Noodle Museum. We're gonna go to another place and another place. Last day, right? So since we have about 15 more minutes to wait, I decided to get pho. I have never in my life had pho, and this will be the first time. It's a small bowl, and it was 400 yen, and then for 200 yen I got my favorite drink, which is the green melon soda. I am gonna miss this most about Japan. I like that bazaar. It has so many different foods to try. This is the second time we've been there, and this new item. Pho is probably not for me. It's not bad, it's just if I had to choose between pho and ramen, we're going ramen. But now it is 2:30. Let's go make this cup so we can go on with our day. Just got my cup, 400 yen from the machines over there. We're gonna draw it up like I am right now, go put it together, and vacuum seal it. It should look pretty cool. And I'll explain later why I had to do this again. I'm not a good drawer. That's my wife's specialty. As you can see, it says 181 days there. Hi. And we're at the end now where we're press sealing and then sealing it up. So, and then we're all done into the heat shrink. It's my favorite part. Here it comes. Boop. And it's all very hot. Woo! As you can see here. Looks super cool. Hi. All right, let's head on out. All done, got the cup made, put it in the bag right now. The reason we had to make another one is the last time I came here and made one for my son, I had bath bombs in the same box, and for some reason the flavoring like leaked in and it tasted horrible, they said. So I had to make it a new one. Total time at the museum, 49 minutes. Now we're off to get ramen. Somewhere special. And when I mean special, we're talking about the Ramen Museum, because they got the ramen street down below where we had that delicious ramen. And I wanted to come back here one more time before we leave, so here we are. Bouncy ramen. All right, we're back in the museum again. We're gonna just go straight downstairs. I'm ready to eat. I love this part when you walk out and woo! And there's nobody here. Well, I mean the palm reader's here, but there's nobody around. Let's go for a walk. Walking through the streets of the Ramen Museum. I actually think I'm just gonna get this one right here, but I just want to make a lap real quick, just because I like this place so much. That's why I had to come back. I mean, doesn't this just look so awesome? I'm gonna miss it, but we should come back in the future and come here a lot more. So I just walked around the whole place, including downstairs, which one of them that wasn't open last time is now open. I came back to the same place I went last time. It's so good. It's my favorite. But next time I come back to Japan, we'll try more of them and get an annual pass so we can come as many times as we want. Because the 2 times I visited, I've spent 760 yen, and for 500 yen, it's a 6-month pass. So we're gonna get that next time. I got the large, and that's a lot. After eating the pho earlier, it'll be interesting. I'm pretty sure I could finish it. I finished everything in the bowl, but I couldn't finish all the soup. There's a little bit left, but whew, we still got a lot of walking to do. And yeah, so good. I love that. It's delicious. I'm gonna miss this. But it's okay, because I have a feeling we will be back at some point. Some cool bowls there. I'm gonna walk around the gift shop in the museum real quick. Again, I've been here before too, so if you guys want to watch that video, put a link in the description below and up here. I went to the gift shop and I got this. It's a ramen noodle. You can see pen. Watch this. Just like the front door. So that's really cool. So when I start writing like addresses and stuff or anything, I got a little reminder that I love that ramen downstairs. Man, I wish I had that back home. But that is it for the Ramen Museum. We are now heading off back to Yokohama Station. Woo! Back at Yokohama Station, heading over to Nissan Headquarters. One of the first stops we made on the trip. They change out the cars often and everything. So I always like to stop by there a couple times during the trip. This is the last day. We should do it one more time. We're finally at the Nissan Headquarters there. As you can see, I'm about to take a monster break. Jokes. And I can't wait to go see what kind of new cars they got available and stuff like that. And we'll have to find some more stuff to do because it's like only 4 o'clock. We got a lot of time to kill. Look at the exhaust on those. Oh, that looks so cool. The carbon fiber wing on the back. The all black skyline here. Of course, in my previous video I was here, they had this mock-up here. Oh, cutout of the actual whole setup of the GTR over there. It looks amazing. And then I got this new Nismo Fair Lady Z over here. Look at this thing. That looks fun. Love that stuff. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like they have any of the race cars here. It's all family cars. So my wife wants a minivan. I like Japanese minivans. They're different than back home. They're also a lot smaller. Like, you can definitely tell that one back here, very narrow, but lots of room. Bummer. I was hoping to see some like Le Mans cars or something like that. Still awesome to see the GTR cut out and everything right there. Where to next? Is that a Lush in the background? I bet it is. I'm such a horrible person when it comes to that store. But it's never for me, it's always for the family. So I got my wife something this time. A little surprise for her. I got so much stuff for the kids this trip. I figured bring something home for her and maybe she'll like it. Of course she will. You know, any gift from the husband's always a good gift. So I checked on Landmark Tower and it's still covered. Can't really see down. I think we're just gonna not go. It's a little bummer. I really wanted to go back up there again, but it's okay. We're actually gonna take the train back and maybe we'll do something in town, but I still need to finish packing. I actually really haven't packed and I leave in less than 24 hours, so maybe we'll do that. And now we're back in the last tap of the card. Still got $8.67 yen on there. We'll just use that next time we're here. Sad. Or we'll use it at the vending machines, because you can still use it at vending machines. But we're back in town. As you can see, the sun is starting to set. And not really hungry. So I guess we should pack. This doesn't feel real yet, like I'm leaving tomorrow. I swear I'm packing. Come on, monster! Come on, give it to me. Oh, we got one! Heck yeah, we won! Almost done. I'm trying to win some big old slippers over here. Come on. Get in there. Oh, those would be fun to wear. One more time. Come on, don't mess up. Oh, I think we're a little too far over. Okay, we're doing good, we're doing good. We only got one though. Oh. Come on, lucky strike. Silver spot. Oh, so close. I didn't win anything, which is not a big deal. We at least played some arcade games before we went home on this trip. Only thing on this trip I feel sad about that we weren't able to do was go to Disney, because they're super booked out for like the next 2 months. But I got some friends here who are going, and they're gonna send us pictures. It's gonna be great. All right, now we need to go get some food. And you might say, where would you eat on the last night you're here? Carl's Jr. I honestly, this place has been my go-to a lot. And I know we have Carl's Jr. back home, but it's not the same. And I'm gonna give me a double Western Angus right now. Just like it says right there, 100% Australian Angus beef. That's so good. And we're back at my place. As you can see, we got the Lush product of the day for the wife. I found this when we were going from the Cup Museum to the Ramen Museum. It's pineapple Tropicana. This is pineapple juice in a can. I've never seen this in Japan before. First time. New train line, new products. I love vending machines here. They're everywhere. The wrap-up saying for my son's cup of noodles. It says hi. So we're going to get that to him. We got the pen with the Ramen Museum in it. I got my Carl's Jr. And I got some monsters. So that was a pretty good day for the last day. Now, could have done a lot more. Weather has not cleared up at all. Little bummer. Not too sad about it though, because we've been here for so long. We're at 180 days in Japan. And I'm kind of checked out because I miss my family. Don't get me wrong, had a great time here. Wanted to do so much more, but with all the limitations of the global situation, yeah, we weren't able to do a whole lot more. Are we gonna miss Earthquake Tree? We're gonna miss Earthquake Tree. Nothing. You can hope. So now I need to edit this video so I can pack all this up, like my tower. The monitor needs to go in a box. All my GoPro gear, all of that. And then out here we have, you know, the table worth of stuff that we gotta put. And all that has to fit in there. Besides the monitor, it all has to go in there. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. It shows me that you really enjoyed today's video. And of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And we've got Disney World in Alaska and Disney World and we're at Montana possibly. We got some things coming up. And obviously, all you guys out there who subscribed during this trip, thank you so much. We're all friends now and I'm loving it. So thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you next time.